Are you feeling sick and tired of feeling stuck in your life because of your health problems? Picture this, a solution that actually works, giving back your energy and zest for your life. Stay with me till the end of this video as I spill this game-changing fix that goes beyond the usual stuff. It's time to wave goodbye to feeling sick and say hello to feeling amazing again. Keep an eye out for the big change that you have been waiting for. Hi, I'm Indumati Mano, a self-connection coach. I help people to connect with their inner selves on a deeper level and live a life filled with abundance, happiness, and fulfillment. One of my clients was experiencing a severe back pain for about 7 to 8 years. She was going to hospital after hospital looking for solution. But the doctors were not able to really diagnose what was causing this back pain. Because of this back pain, she was not able to carry out her duties as a mother and wife. So her family life was affecting. Now, not only this back pain, even the thinking that when will this back pain will come again. This was causing a huge fear in her, which was creating stress and anxiety. So the quality of her life went down seriously. She was not able to carry out her day-to-day life activities with ease. Because of this, her mood was always fluctuating. She was not able to take part in social activities. So this was affecting her personal and professional life also. She came to me for healing this back pain. What we did was we dug deep into her past, where we found the incident which was causing this back pain in her. Way back, she planned to start a business with some of her friends. So she borrowed some money from her father and invested in the business. What happened was, after 1 or 2 years, the business was not doing well. The partners also cheated. She was not able to get her money back and she was thrown out of the business. This loss of money, this loss of feeling cheated, and also the guilt of wasting her money, this impacted her heavily. She was carrying that guilt inside her always. She was not able to forgive herself for the mistake she has done. It was a surprising fact that the back pain also started during the same period she was cheated on by her partners. Then we started doing Ho'oponopono for her feeling of guilt and self-resentment. As we started doing Ho'oponopono, within 30 days of time, she got relief from her back pain. The back pain which was haunting her for 7 to 8 years of time, which was affecting the quality of her life for such a period of time, was gone now. She was really amazed by how healing the feeling of guilt could cure her chronic backache. This story of my client is a perfect example of how the emotions that you suppress inside your mind could be manifesting as a disease inside your body. This is how any physical ailment that you have been experiencing in your present are caused because of the mental blockages from your past. How to remove these blockages? I'm going to tell you an easiest and most effective way of getting rid of these mental blockages and restoring your body to its perfect health. If you're someone who has not heard about Ho'oponopono before, then this short introduction is for you. Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian healing technique which consists of 4 phrases, which includes high vibrational words, which are I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. By chanting these 4 phrases, you can come out of any negative situations in your life, because these words have the power to clear all the negative energies surrounding you. When the negative energies are cleared, that gives you a balance in your life, which will give you relief from all your problematic situations. If you want to know more about Ho'oponopono, its working, and the deeper meaning about its phrases, then please do watch this video where I have detailedly explained about Ho'oponopono and its uses. As I mentioned at the starting of the video, a diseased body is a result of diseased mind. As we know, all the sufferings of our present are caused by the unwanted thoughts and memories that we are holding from the past. The memories of the past experiences are stored in the cells of our body. So whenever these experiences are triggered, this manifests as pain and diseases in our body. body. How does this happen? When we undergo certain traumatic or painful experiences, we undergo certain emotions. But what we do is that we don't express that emotions outside. We suppress them, we hold on to them, and we dump those emotions inside our body. What happens to these emotions suppressed inside our body? They come out as illness and pain after some period of time. In my client's situation, the guilt feeling of wasting her dad's money was stuck inside her cells of back, which manifested as a chronic backache. If suppose you are in a situation or the environment where your opinions are not heard, where no one is listening to you, you feel that you're unheard, then what will you do? You will keep your opinions and ideas to yourself. You will start suppressing your thoughts and ideas, and you will not speak up even in the situations where you need to. So what will happen to this suppressed feeling of not being heard, of not being able to speak out what you want to speak? This will manifest as a throat pain or a sore throat in the long period of time. In this way, each emotion will get blocked in each body part. For example, if you're a person who always fears and always feels anxiety inside you, then you might get problems associated with your guts and kidneys. If you're someone who was being compared since your childhood and you hold that comparison within you still now, and you compare yourself with others now also, then you might face some problems relating to your liver. If you're someone who often catches flu and affected by the seasonal fevers and cold, then it means that in your life you're feeling that you're not being loved. You're earning love in your life. Feeling of not being loved can weaken your immune system and make you fall sick often. There are no hard rules that these emotions should definitely affect these organs. But if you are affected and you're facing such body problems, then please do look beyond your medical conditions and see that if you're suppressing any emotions inside yourself for a very long period of time. How many times you have experienced this? You must have got a pain in your knees or back. You might have undergone medications and treatment and got relieved. But after few months, the pain in the same place would have returned, but with more severity. This is because you have treated the pain externally, but you have not fixed the main cause which was causing the problem. That is, the untreated emotions that you have been withholding inside you. By saying this, I do not mean that you should not take any medications. What I mean is that you should use Ho'oponopono to heal your stuck emotions along with your medications so that you're healed from the ailment completely. When we do Ho'oponopono, the suppressed emotions and the toxic energies inside us are cleared by the magical power of forgiveness, gratitude, and love. Now that we have understood why we should do Ho'oponopono, let us move on to how to do Ho'oponopono to heal your body illnesses. The first step is to take 100% responsibility for whatever problems you're facing with regards to your health. When you're starting Ho'oponopono, say this aloud: I'm taking 100% responsibility for creating this illness and pain in my body, knowingly or unknowingly. Then you say, I'm sorry for creating this problem inside my body from my past thoughts and suppressed emotions. Next you say, please forgive me. You're asking forgiveness from yourself for creating this illness inside your body, and you're telling that you truly wish to come out of this pain now. The third phrase is thank you. When you say thank you, you're filling the whole body with gratitude. We might face some problem or discomfort in any of the body parts now, but what we forget is that the other parts of our body, internal or external, are functioning perfectly well. That is why we are able to carry out our day-to-day activities so well. But we have never felt gratitude in our life for those body parts which are functioning well. So this is the time to say thank you to each and every body part of yours which are functioning perfectly well. We always feel bad for things which are not going well in our life, but we forget to acknowledge the blessings we receive from the universe. So that is why this word thank you is very, very important. Also, when we say this thank you, we are showing our faith to universe that whatever problem we are facing in our body now will get restored and we will get our perfect health very soon. At last, we say the fourth phrase, I love you. When we say this phrase, we immerse each and every cell in our body with pure love. We all know that love has the power to heal anything in this world. As we shower each and every cell of our body with love, this love penetrates deeply into our body and heals it. You have to repeat these 4 phrases, that is, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You have to repeat these 4 phrases multiple times again and again. We know that we use these 4 phrases in our daily life, but the main key for these phrases to work for you is the feeling. When you say I'm sorry, you're going to really feel the sorry deep from your body. You say I'm sorry, please forgive me. You have to feel each and every word as you tell Ho'oponopono. When you say I'm sorry, please forgive me, your body and mind should feel the repentance inside you. You should really feel sorry for creating this illness inside your body. The same goes when you say thank you. You should feel the power of gratitude inside you. The last word, I love you. When you say I love you, you should feel the love penetrating the whole body. Ho'oponopono will work only if you say these 4 phrases with the right feeling. Only this feeling will give you the change that you are desiring for. Now, for example, if you have pain in your hands and you want to heal it, how you will use Ho'oponopono for that? Let me tell you. Take your hands and say, I take complete responsibility for creating pain in this hand from my past memories and thoughts. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You're going to repeat these 4 phrases again and again till your mind feels calm and peaceful. Once after your mind attains that peaceful state, then what you're going to do is you will let go. Let go of your worries about the pain. Only if you let it go to the universe's hands, then the magic will start to happen. Don't worry or complain about your pain to yourself or to others. You leave the pain to the universe. Let universe take care of the pain. Carry on your day-to-day activities with gratitude and love. Send love to the body part which you need to heal. Once you have given the problems in the hands of universe, do not worry or complain about your health to yourself or to others. Carry out your day-to-day activities with gratitude and love. Send more and more love to the body part which needs healing. Your hand must be in pain, but your heart is functioning perfectly well, so you're able to live this beautiful life. Send love to the heart. You're able to eat well. Thank you for your digestive system. Send more and more love and gratitude to all your body parts. Bathing time could be the best time to send love to your body parts. Whenever you take bath, touch each and every body part and say, I love you, I thank you. By saying these words, you send love to all your internal and external organs. Inculcate this habit as a routine in your daily life. Whenever you go to take bath, you can make this as a routine to say thanks and love to each and every body parts of yours. When you immerse yourself into this beautiful feeling of gratitude and love in your day-to-day life, you can feel that your body is automatically moving towards a perfect health. Your problem could be smaller or bigger, but if you inculcate such positive feelings into your life, you will start to feel better about your situations, which will expedite your recovery and speed up your healing. It doesn't always means that if you do Ho'oponopono, your pain will immediately vanish. Though that is also true in some cases, in other cases, you might attract the right medical help or the right diet advice, which will help you recover from your ailment completely. Be open to miracles in any form in your life. Ho'oponopono is not just another tool to use only during a crisis situation. It is a way of life which you need to make it as a part of your lifestyle. Take responsibility for your life situations, and whenever a negative feelings comes inside you, you say these 4 phrases: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, and let the worries of the outcomes to the universe. You will get better as you do Ho'oponopono daily. Make it a habit to chant 108 times Ho'oponopono in the morning and also in the evening. Do not immediately use Ho'oponopono for any any long-term illnesses. What will happen is that any long-term illness will have accumulation of lots of negative energies, which will take a longer time to heal. As a human, we always expect faster results. So when you don't get that fast results, then you will lose hope about the whole process. So my suggestion would be to start small. Use Ho'oponopono for small ailments like headache or sore throat. Get relief, gain belief. As you practice more and more, you will be empowered to use it for any long-term illness later. Gradually, you will begin to live a life filled with greater sense of freedom, health and well-being. I bless each and every soul watching this video with perfect health and vitality. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Click on the link here for the guided Ho'oponopono meditation video, which you can listen daily to get a relief from your discomfort, pain and illness and have a healthy mind and body. Please do come back and share your experiences on using Ho'oponopono for your health problems. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such life-changing videos. My next video will be on how to heal your relationship using Ho'oponopono. So please do click the bell icon to be notified when I upload that video.